John Neal Jr., your professor. How are you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my student listeners? Welcome to our new season of Time to Get It Monday. I'm excited. I hope you are. Today, we're going to get into something fun, light, but very enjoyable. It is, should we eat ice cream? Should we eat sweets? We should, because sometimes we need to take a break from the fitness. Sometimes we need to take a break from the diet. Sometimes we just need to enjoy life, because life is about ice cream and love and people and friends. But guess what? Ice cream makes it all happen. It brings us together, it makes us happy, it makes us excited, and even though it's something small, as little as ice cream, it can make you smile. At the end, we all scream for ice cream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. John Neal Jr., your professor.